In this video, you will learn how to perform primary data collection. That is, how you collect the relevant marine litter sample for your study. Systematic collection of primary data is a key part of field-based research. You should always use standard data collection methods, so other researchers will be able to validate your research. It is important that you know how to collect, label, transport, register, and store your sample for your data analysis. So please follow the instruction provided in this film. And remember to check available literature for further details.
At the beach, you are going to collect marine litters. Before going to collect marine litters, you have to prepare the equipment for collecting marine litter. The first things you have to prepare a tape measure. It's like this, which is used for measuring the distance which are supposed for collecting marine litters. Another things you have to prepare plastic bags which are used for putting marine litters which collected at the beach, and also you must have a field notebook for noting what happening at the beaches. Before collecting marine litters, you have to consider very important things. The first important things at the beach must be not approximately to the rivers, because the rivers takes stuffs from the land to the water, and the target is we are going to collect marine litters. So it is not good area for collecting marine litters if there is a river. And also the beaches should have a slope at least 20 degrees to 45 degrees, at least to have likely gentle slopes. This is important because marine litters which comes with water does not washing away for speed, because the slope is at that angle 20 to 45 degrees. And also good place for collecting marine litters, it must be not have an hotel, because the hotel making cleans there, so it is not a good area. So there are many things to consider before collecting marine litters, but that what I explained is very important. Another things before collecting marine litters, as I explained this tape measure, we are measuring 100 meters for collecting marine litters. And before collecting marine litters, we have to set GPS of the area to know the exact location of the area that we are going to collect marine litters. What we are collecting at the beach, we are collecting marine litters which is starting by small size, at least 2 centimeters size. During this research, we are going to collect, it is more than 4 times. More than 4 times we are going to collect marine litters. This is the first point, and another point will be putting at the another point. Okay, this is the end of our point 2, measuring 100 meters in this area of beach. Then we are going to collect marine litters in the area that we have measured 100 meters. So through this area, we will collect each which are concerning with marine litters, at least size from 2 centimeters. if marine litters have been connected with the rock and it is very difficult to get it, so you can move it as well as possible, and then you can, any pieces that you can get, more pieces as well as possible you can get, you will count it as a piece number 1. So you are putting off this, if you can get from the rock, if it is removed as well as possible. This is a piece number 1, and also so more pieces that you are getting from the rock, the marine litter that have been connected with the rock, more pieces that you can get also, you can call as a piece number 1. Another also is the pieces which have been buried, so you can use material cheaper just to remove it. So for here we can so it is like this case have been connected with the rocks, so that we are getting pieces that we have been getting from there. Okay, another case also, another piece is have been connected with rock like this. As possible, and also we count it. After collecting all these litters in this area that we have been measured, then we are taking these litters to the laboratory for making more analysis. After coming from the field, collecting marine litters, and then we are checking our stuffs in our bags, then we are taking our bags, then we distribute to the floors. First bag, the other we are taking another bag. Okay. After putting off our stuffs here, then we distribute them, we sort them. We are sorting them according to the type of material that we are seeing to these stuffs. Diapers, we have carpets, plastic containers, plastic bag or plastic mesh. Also we have clothes, metals, rubber, glass and ceramic, plastic bottle, shoes, we have organic here, and also we have electronics. Okay, after making categorization of marine litters, then you are going to measure the weight of each category. So we are using this electronic balance for small pieces of litters, and if there are so many litters in the category, we can use this balance. But for example here, we are going to measure metals. We are going to measure metals. So we are taking the metal here, and then we are putting to the electronic balance. For example here, it reads 11.5 gram. Then we are going to record. After measuring, you are coming to the field notebook for recording the weight that you have got. The field notebook have been contained with these columns, about 6 columns. The first column is item code. So normally the items we can use the UNEP code or OSPA code, and then you are putting the code of material, and then you are coming to the next column, which is material. So the materials of items that you have been categorized, then you are count them in numbers. So how many category? And then you are measuring to know the weight of that category. So you are putting here, it is a gram. Then you are putting the comment, if there is a comment or descriptions of the items that you have categorized. Then the last column, sixth column, you are putting survey date and the beach name. For example, today is 25th March 2019, and our station or beach name is Beatrice.